Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily disable the autoplay video previews in Google Maps on iPhone and Android. Autoplay video previews in Google Maps can be helpful for quickly viewing places, restaurants, and attractions. However, these automatic previews may also consume mobile data, drain battery life, and become distracting while you are browsing locations. So, if you prefer a cleaner experience and want more control over when videos play, you can easily turn off autoplay in the app settings. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Google Maps app on your device, and then you have to hit your profile located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose the settings option to proceed. Then select app and display option. After that, you have to choose autoplay video previews and finally select the off option and you are all set. So that's how you can easily get rid of the autoplay video previews in the Google Maps app. Disabling the autoplay video previews is a quick way to save data, reduce distractions, and make the app feel smoother while exploring locations. Once the setting is disabled, videos will only play when you choose to watch them. This small adjustment can help improve your overall navigation and browsing experience on both iOS and Android devices. Now that you have unlocked this pretty useful feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.